Have you ever wondered how the first railways came into existence? The story begins in the early 19th century in the United Kingdom, a time of great innovation and change. The idea of a rail transport system wasn't entirely new, but the Industrial Revolution gave it the impetus it needed to evolve. The earliest railways were simple wooden tracks, also known as wagonways. They were primarily used in mining to transport heavy loads over short distances. However, these wooden rails had a significant drawback. They were prone to wear and tear, and the constant need for replacement made them an impractical solution for the long haul. Then came a remarkable transition. The wooden rails were replaced by metal ones, a change that dramatically improved the durability and efficiency of the railway system. This innovation was a game changer, paving the way for the railway networks we are familiar with today. The real revolution, however, was the introduction of steam-powered locomotives. Before this, horses were used to pull the wagons. But the invention of the steam engine transformed everything. The first full-scale working railway steam locomotive was built in the United Kingdom by an engineer named George Stephenson. His locomotive, called the Locomotion No. 1, was a marvel of its time. It could pull a load of up to 20 tons at a speed of 15 miles per hour, a feat unimaginable in the era of horse-drawn wagons. This innovation not only increased the speed and efficiency of transportation, but also expanded the possibilities of travel and commerce. The success of the Locomotion No. 1 ignited a flurry of innovation and development. Engineers and inventors around the world were inspired to design their own versions of steam locomotives, each one improving on the last. This marked the beginning of a new era in transportation, setting the stage for the rapid advancement of railway technology. What would you consider the golden age of railways? For many, this period spans from the 1830s to the 1930s, a full century that saw the railway industry flourish and transform societies around the world. The expansion of railway networks during this era was nothing short of breathtaking. It all started in the United Kingdom, with the opening of the Liverpool to Manchester line in 1830. Over the next few decades, railway lines crisscrossed across continents, connecting cities and towns that were previously isolated. In North America, the Transcontinental Railroad was completed in 1869, linking the east and west coasts of the United States for the first time. Similarly, in Europe, the Orient Express started its legendary journey from Paris to Istanbul in the late 1880s. But the golden age of railways was about more than just expanding networks. It was a time when the railways became a catalyst for industrialization. They provided a cost-effective and efficient means of transporting goods and people, driving economic growth. The iron and steel industries in particular benefited enormously from the railways, as they supplied the materials for the tracks and the trains. Moreover, the railways generated a demand for coal, spurring the growth of the mining industry. The golden age of railways also saw trains play a critical role in wars. During the American Civil War, for instance, trains were used to transport troops and supplies, giving an edge to the North that ultimately helped them win the war. Similarly, in the First World War, railways were vital for moving soldiers and equipment to the front lines. Throughout this golden age, railways were not just a means of transport. They symbolized progress and modernity, reshaping landscapes and reshuffling populations. They brought about a new era of mobility, opening up opportunities for trade, tourism, and migration. They were a testament to human ingenuity, a marvel of engineering that transformed the way we live and work. The Golden Age saw railways become the backbone of multiple nations, driving economic growth and societal change. How have railways evolved in the last century to suit the modern world? The mid-20th century marked a pivotal moment in the history of railways, as steam locomotives gave way to electric and diesel trains. This evolution was driven by the need for faster, more efficient, and cleaner modes of transport. Electric trains, powered by overhead lines or third rails, became popular in urban areas due to their quiet operation and lack of air pollution. Diesel trains, on the other hand, offered greater flexibility and range, making them ideal for long-distance travel. The latter half of the 20th century also saw the introduction of high-speed rail, revolutionizing the way we view land travel. High-speed trains, capable of reaching speeds over 200 miles per hour, began to compete with airlines for long-distance travel. Countries like Japan and France led the way with their Shinkansen and TGV systems, respectively. These trains not only drastically reduced travel times but also offered a comfortable and convenient alternative to air travel. The advent of the computer age brought about another significant shift in the railway industry. computerization has had a profound impact on train control and ticketing systems. Traditional signal boxes and ticket booths have been replaced by automated systems, improving safety, efficiency, and customer convenience. Trains can now be monitored and controlled from centralized locations, reducing the risk of human error. Ticketing has also been transformed, with paper tickets giving way to electronic ticketing and smart cards, making travel more seamless for passengers. The modernization of railways has not been without its challenges. Issues such as high construction costs, land acquisition, and environmental concerns have often hindered progress. Despite these hurdles, the railway industry has continuously evolved to meet the demands of the modern world. In the end, the modernization of railways signifies much more than technological advancement. It represents our unending quest for speed, efficiency, and convenience. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt and overcome challenges. The modernization of railways has brought about a faster, safer, and more efficient mode of transport. Can you imagine what the future holds for railways? We've journeyed from the dawn of railways, through the golden age, and into modern times. But what comes next is truly revolutionary. In the future, we may see the advent of Hyperloop technology. Hyperloop, a concept introduced by Elon Musk, promises to propel passengers and freight at speeds of up to 700 miles per hour. This is faster than many commercial airplanes. It operates by reducing air resistance in a closed tube, enabling pods to travel at incredible speeds. Imagine London to Edinburgh in just 30 minutes. Then we have maglev trains. Maglev, short for magnetic levitation, is a system of train transportation that uses magnetic forces to both levitate the train above the track and propel it forward. Already in use in certain parts of the world, these trains can reach speeds of over 300 miles per hour, offering a smoother and quieter ride than traditional rail. But the future of railways is not just about speed, it's also about intelligence and efficiency. Artificial intelligence and automation are set to play a significant role in train operations. AI can help predict maintenance needs, reducing downtime and improving safety. Automated trains, controlled by sophisticated computer systems, could potentially operate 24/7, increasing capacity and efficiency. And let's not forget about sustainability. As the world grapples with climate change, railways will play a crucial role in creating a greener future. Expect to see more electric trains, powered by renewable energy sources, and trains designed with energy-efficient features. The future of railways is exciting, packed with innovations that will transform the way we travel. It's a future that brings together speed, intelligence, and sustainability, offering a more connected and less carbon-intensive world. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the journey of the railway is far from over. So, how much do you remember about the journey of the railway? It's been quite a ride, hasn't it? Let's take a moment to reflect and consolidate what we've learned. In the dawn of railways, the world saw the birth of a revolutionary mode of transport. The earliest railways were simple wooden tracks, guiding horse-drawn carriages. With the invention of the steam engine in the 18th century, these humble tracks transformed into a network of iron and steel, connecting cities and countries like never before. Moving on to the golden age of railways, it was a time of rapid expansion and innovation. The 19th and early 20th centuries witnessed the proliferation of railways across the globe. From the mighty transcontinental railroads in the United States to the sprawling networks in Europe and Asia, railways became the arteries of the industrial world, pumping goods, people, and ideas across vast distances. Then we explored the modernization of railways, a period marked by electrification, automation, and increased speed. The second half of the 20th century saw the introduction of high-speed trains, like the Shinkansen in Japan, and the TGV in France, which reduced travel times drastically. At the same time, advancements in technology brought about greater safety measures and more efficient operational systems. Finally, we look to the future of railways. The advent of magnetic levitation and hyperloop technology promises speeds that were previously unimaginable. As we move further into the 21st century, the potential for innovation in railway technology is boundless. The future of railways is not just about speed but also about sustainability, accessibility, and connectivity. From the early wooden tracks to the Hyperloop, railways have transformed our world and will continue to do so. The journey of the railway is a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and our relentless pursuit of progress. It's a story that's still being written, with each new development adding another chapter to this incredible saga. Join us next time as we delve into another fascinating aspect of history.